Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be making a very simple game. Since this one's like, this idea is extremely widely used. Or just widely used actually. It's just a simple lobby because it's just extremely simple. Not much effort needed to be put into it, so just make something very simple. So I like a platform here. Control D to duplicate. Okay, so small. This part red. Check on. Red, neon. So this will be kill brick. Here we can insert a script. Now I haven't gone over these yet, but it doesn't really matter, you can just copy this. Next function hit. Character if player, then this is another thing, but I can type this out normal enter. Oops. Humanoid. Health. Also do, just to make sure, if player.character find first child humanoid, then we will set the player's the humanoid's health to 0. See, very simple, not much effort needs to go. There is a better way of doing this. Let's say if you had multiple parts, like 3 of these. I don't know if these are actually possible. Hold on. I'm not very good at building, so see, simple, very simple platform, not even close to even. There's a better way to get all these parts to any part that's brick. But instead, just for the sake of this video, I'll just keep them all as simple scripts. We'll go over that later. I'll just send this part a bit more. Move this. There we go. That should be. Go on. Jump over that. That should be about pretty good size. So now let's duplicate this platform. Control D once again. Connect it with this one. Should I connect it? You know how much to jump from this one? I don't know if that's possible. Could be. If you're really good at Roblox, then probably, definitely. But so like this, and this one might be like these very simple things you see all the time. If you play obby games, you'll know what I'm making. So like this one, like this. Okay, hold on. This might make these a whole lot bigger just to look a more cooler, but just basically you jump here. You walk here, you jump over this one, to this one, to this one. Also over here, I guess. A better way of saying it. That's pretty simple. So this is kind of it's very small, but I mean it's just a really simple game. It could get popular, you never know. I'll just delete the base plate and I'll duplicate this platform, Control D. Extend this out this way. Have this as the spawn point. Just make sure you anchor these parts so you can do this. So yeah, go to properties up and down here. You can get properties by going to the View tab and clicking properties. So we'll make this anchored, and then we'll go to toolbox, and you can get a neutral spawn. Toolbox will be in your home tab. Just close toolbox. Toolbox, you can get like really any free models and stuff from there. I wouldn't recommend it if you wanted to make a proper game, but if you wanted to, you can just get free models from there. And there you go, that's extremely simple. Let's go anchor this one. There's a better way of anchoring it, but if you were, that's already anchored, but obviously there's the properties tab here where you can anchor it, if I can find it. Yeah, right here, so you can anchor it here, or in the home tab there will be this little anchor button over there, so if you select it, and it'll be there. And let's say I didn't have an anchor button, I would unanchor it, you just click it, and re-anchor it, just click it again, do a quick play test. Loading, so there you go, you're here. So let's just jump over this. I made it, surprisingly. And I died. Okay, so it's somewhat possible. So that's really it. Very simple lobby. Okay, go the right way. I wonder if I can make this. Nope. Okay, I'm not very good at obvious. Parkour specifically. Might make it a bit more fancy, I guess. Maybe. Might add more stages, I guess. So you can add use that to make this a bit more easier. You want to be able to get from point A to point B without dying, so that's what this sounds. Now we have these tool bricks. Let's move one of these down. Control D, and you can extend this all the way to this point. Just so that if the players were to fall, they would also die, not just fall to the floor. Just it'll land on the part and they'll just be dead. I'll make this black. See, everything pops now. Now let's add more obstacles. So let's get some spheres that have to jump onto. Speed this up. Pretty big. Might make it a bit smaller, make it a bit harder. Pretty simple lobby. I'm not very good at them, so it's a shame. Yeah, this point. Now, I don't know if any of these jumps are possible, so I'm just eyeballing it. There you go. This point, I might make us finish. So I have this. You go for one of these again. And after that, you'll reach the end. Let's get a part. This end. Now you can make this can glide, so then they can go through it, but obviously anything to do with touching it. So if you turn this one off, that means they can't touch it. This one just means they can't climb with it. I'm not exactly sure about here. Never used it. I don't really see a reason to use it. Not exactly, so okay, I don't know if you can. I think you might be able to, actually. It's a very interesting lobby. So I'll just punch in the end. And I might make, let's say, I was going to add some leader stats to it. Service. Oh, and I think this needs to be installed. This can actually be in the workspace. It can, but I'm going to keep it in service. So we can just go game.players. Player added, connect, function, player, it's a player added event, so you can just put player there and you'll get the player instantly. This is just when they add to the game. Let's go local coins equal instance new. It's going to be an int value. Then you go here, coins dot value. Well, I don't think the value will automatically be 0, so I don't have to actually set the value. So I can set parent to a parent equal player, and well, actually that was pretty it. And I'll just copy this, control copy, and control V to paste it. Same thing. We'll change coins to level, I guess. Maybe not levels, stage. Int value. Oh no, I'm missing something. I know it looks a little too short for me. To me. Stage dot name equal stage. It's a capital. Everything's case sensitive, don't forget about it. Coins dot name equal coins, and then this will add it to. Oh, I am missing something else. Jeez, I'm missing a lot of things today. Local leader stats equal instance dot new folder leader stats. Man, I'm bad at spelling today. Reader stats dot name. I think I can. I don't think they need to specifically be cool. I think it can actually. Yeah, I'll just keep it like that. Instead of being player, it'll be leader stats, which should show up on the player list, I guess. It didn't. I named it wrong then. Hold on. Oh, you know why? My bad, guys. I never set the parent. Leader stats dot parents equal player. So leader stats will go inside player. The coins and stage will go inside leader stats. There we go, coins and stage. I haven't done anything to make them go up yet, but right now they're there. That's all it needs to be. So each stage. Now stage can be really anything. So like, if you're on a stage, like this is like a checkpoint basically. So you would add plus a stage on it. Then you make the player always spawn here when they die. Obviously I'm not going to do that, so that's not for now. But you can plus a stage on, and then kill them, and then send them back here. Set the accumulator to 0, and send them back there. So that's on touch if I was to go this one. So I can plus coins and stage through this one, so I add a script. Go script with parent, dot touch, colon connect, function, hit. Local player equal game dot players colon get that character hit. Honestly, the last one I did, I don't think it was actually necessary, but it doesn't really matter. If player, then player dot leader stats dot coins dot value plus equal, let's go 30. So I think there is a way. Local amount equals 0, and in this case plus equal 30. It's a different thing. Player dot leader stats. Got stage. Got value. Plus equal 1. So that's pretty simple. So you make it over here, you get it. I don't know if I'm gonna make it over there, honestly. I have no idea. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Did I anchor the... I did not. I just thought about that now. That's crazy. Unless they're not. Okay, so I don't anchor anything. Anchor them now. Anchor. Should probably bring them up a bit more than that. Then we can play test. So we're here. Let's go to here. Okay. I should turn the shift left, shouldn't I? Oh. Wow, that was very difficult. Almost, not really, but for me, yeah, kind of. 80 of these, bro. Why do I keep getting stuff? Oh, I know it said that the HP is there, is it? What's happening? What's going on? Can't tell if no, it's not. Hold on. It's still there, right? It is not, and is gone. You know what? I never anchored it. So that's it. I set Canclad to false, so it just fell through the map. I'm gonna start knowing this stuff more. Okay, that was not even close enough. Let's try again. Go here, go here. That is very close to the end. Should work. Ooh. And nothing happened. What am I doing wrong this time? What am I doing wrong? I'm not getting any errors, so I'm not quite sure. I named it the right stuff, right? Let's just copy this real quick. No, it's the right thing. Ah, there it is. Found the issue. Well, I'm not very good at teaching anymore. Greg wouldn't have a problem with this. What? Oh, apparently I died. People can probably go through this with ease. Oh, my foot was barely touching the cow. Barely touched this. This is the part I have an issue with, apparently. I mean, this part, I died for like once or twice. It's not that much of an issue. This part's extremely easy. This part I don't have really much of an issue with. This part, not much of an issue with. And here we go. Now, if I stand on it, I can keep getting money. It'll keep going up so many times. Now, the way to fix that, if you don't want them to go to just do this, and send them back to the point. So what do I call it? It's spawn location. So instead of, I could set that as C-frame, it's spawn location. So what I should probably do is, I think it's already no, it's not. Okay. Can fly it off, and what I do is I extend this up so I can send them to the C-frame without them glitching into the ground. Could happen. Never know. So we'll also add a debounce. So the script can't be touched multiple times. The part can't be touched multiple times. Our debounce works if you debounce false, and we'll go here on hit. If debounce is equal to false, then you will set debounce equal to true. We will run this entire function. Not function, not bad. We'll run this entire line. So here, then we'll go debounce equal to true. else. If not player, then we'll go demounts or true anyway. So true, and we'll also do print. No player. Found. Now, this is a rare case of this ever happening, but you know, sometimes this is very possible. If it doesn't find the player, let's print no player found. Debounce will be set back to true. Set back to false, I meant. Now, after they went to touch this, they get the money. Before we set debounce to false, player dot character dot humanoid root part dot c frame equals workspace dot spawn location dot c frame. Now instead of setting the humanoid to 0, this is an easier way. It's just to set the c frame to that c frame. Okay, I didn't spawn at the spawn location. What happened? Huh. I think all I did was change spawn locations can collide. And for some reason that I clicked enable instead it can collide. So many errors already. It's not even really errors, it's just me accidentally doing stuff. See, now it works. I spawned normally. Let's go here, let's go here. I can just jump over that, I don't know what I did that before. That's so much easier. And now we'll get here, we'll get sent back here, and we got 120 coins and stage 4. That is not ideal. That is not correct. I plus 30. So they touched it once. And somehow this one's straight back to that. So I'll just go wait. Let's go 2 seconds for debounce. Before we set debounce to true, I'm going to remove this one so it can't happen. Well, actually, no, I should also wait 2. No, I don't need to. No, yeah. Well, actually, no. Instead of doing that, we can just. Yeah, no. I'll keep it how it is. If player, then Google this. Debounce equal false, then debounce equal true. We said debounce equal false. I'm not very happy with that. I'm gonna go here. Times, so I might just move the end closer. I have no idea how long this video was already. Just going to see. There we go, we fixed it. Waited 2 or 4, we set this so then it can set the C frame back, just so that it can't keep collecting money. So let's try that again. And stage 2. So it's working. Exactly how we expected it to. So pretty simple lobby. Yeah, that's about it for part 1. I might expand on this later. Do some building off camera maybe. I don't know, but this is it for part 1. Very simple. Just the base of it. Got the kill parts. We'll organize this next video. So we instead of having them all as separate scripts, we can do it from one specific script. You know, pretty easy. And might get saving, like database basically. And I think that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. Pretty simple. And yeah, this will just get you started. Pretty simple actually. Yeah, we haven't learned some of these yet, but I will make sure I go through these. So the on-touch functions, debounce, I did kind of explain here. This game.players, I'll explain this entire thing, everything you can do with it. Reader stats, I'll explain a bit more of this, so you'll 100% know how to do it. We'll definitely go on C-frames and position, the difference between C-frame and position too. So position will just set you, it's basically like C-frame, except C-frame also, it also does orientation. So when you set C-frame, it'll count the orientation. Position will just be, well, the position. So this counts position and orientation. That's why we use, so know when where your orientation is actually facing. So we get spawned here, you can do this and show orientation indicator. So in this case, it's facing forward, so the player will spawn like this. If it was facing that way, it'll spawn like this. Pretty basic. They'll spawning up, I am not sure about that, but it'll be about the same. Anyway, see you in the next video. Peace.